How to use Jobber 2025. So there's going to be a quick Jobber tutorial. If you want to go ahead and use Jobber for your business, guys, we do have links to this in the description box down below. So go ahead and just tap on that so that you could get started with this on your business. So just go ahead and just dive right into this. Basically, what we need to do first is to go ahead and show you guys what the dashboard should look like. So if you have already logged on to your Jobber account, what you guys should see is this dashboard over here. So as you would see, the dashboard is going to be located right here on the right hand side. You do have your create, home, clients, and stuff like that. If you want to go ahead and create a new client, just go ahead and tap on the clients section. As you would see, what you guys should see is something like this. You can tap on new client over here to enter your new client. Just go ahead and just follow the directions on screen. And what you guys should see is the new client primary contact details. So I want you to go ahead and fill out these necessary details for your specific client, for your business, to add a new client. Once you're done with entering all of their details, just tap on save, or if you want to go ahead and save and create another, just tap on this option right here. Now, what I want to go ahead and discuss next is how to schedule a job. So if you want to go ahead and schedule a job on Jobber, just go ahead and tap on jobs over here, right here, or on the right, or rather on the left-hand side of your screen. And in order for us to create, or to schedule a job, go ahead and tap on new job over here on the top right corner. What you guys should see is this option over here. You guys should basically go ahead and proceed with entering your job for whoever client that is. Of course, you could also choose to add the service details, assign, of course, the team members as well, and set the dates right here. But if you could also go ahead and choose if this is going to be a recurring job or a one-time only job. But once you're done with adding all of the necessary details for this specific job, just go ahead and tap on save or select client to proceed with going to the next. And then from there, that's how you guys can easily save this job with the preferred client that you have. Now, essentially, what you guys should do, or rather one more thing that you guys should know about, is how to use or how to get paid and create invoices on Jobber. This is one of the main features that Jobber has, and in order for us to create a invoice and get paid as well, all we need to do is to just tap on the invoices right here on the left-hand side of our screens, and then tap on new invoice. Now, same thing as before, you do need to enter your new client or search for their past client that you have done. Of course, you need to also choose the specific completed job that you have already completed with that client, and then you need to review the line items and totals, send the invoice via email, text, or link, and then enable online payments to get paid faster. Basically, that's how you guys could use Jobber for your business. That's just a quick run through on how you guys could use Jobber for your business. Of course, if you guys would like to use Jobber for your business, we do have links to this in the description box down below. Just go ahead and just tap on that so you can easily get started. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.